Working with educational programming and got an A2W file? This is a 3D world file from the Alice Educational Programming Environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Alice world files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your A2W, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. A2W files are world files. Created by Alice, an educational programming environment developed at Carnegie Mellon University used to teach object-oriented programming concepts through 3D animation. They contain complete Alice world data, including 3D objects, animations, scripts, and interactive elements created by students learning programming. A2W files use Alice's proprietary format, storing 3D world data with object hierarchies, 3D models, animation timelines, event handlers, and Alice script code. The format includes references to Alice's built-in object library and student-created custom programming designed for the educational programming environment. This proprietary format is best opened by Alice from Carnegie Mellon University for the A2W type. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows does not evaluate developer scripts directly, requiring supported execution software. To unlock this specific A2W file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Alice is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, opening an Alice. Download Alice from the Carnegie Mellon University website, which provides the free educational software. Use File then Open to load the A2W file. Alice displays the 3D world with all objects, animations, and programming preserved. The software is freely available for educational use worldwide. Next, verifying Alice version. Check that your Alice version matches or is newer than the version that created the A2W file. Alice has evolved through versions 2 and 3 with format differences between major releases. Use the appropriate Alice version for compatibility with specific A2W files from different educational program installations. Finally, migrating to Alice 3. Convert older Alice 2 worlds to Alice 3 format using Alice 3's import functions. Alice 3 provides enhanced features, modern graphics, and better integration with Java programming education. The migration enables continued use of educational projects with current Alice software and educational curriculum. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.